Stop right there. Before you spend a single dollar on a new Mac Mini, you need to hear this. Because what Apple is preparing next could make your brand new purchase feel old faster than you expect. And I'm not talking about a small upgrade. I'm talking about a generational jump that could completely reset what we expect from a compact desktop. Right now, the M4 Mac Mini looks like the perfect machine. It's small, it's clean, it's powerful, it's affordable. It feels like Apple finally nailed the balance between price and performance. For many people, it looks like the obvious choice. And that's exactly why this matters so much. Because behind the scenes, the M5 Mac Mini is already taking shape. And according to leaks, internal reports, and Apple's own long-term patterns, this next version isn't just faster. It's smarter, it's more capable, and it's designed for a future that the M4 is only just touching. Let's be clear, the M4 Mac Mini is not a bad computer. In fact, it's one of the best value Macs Apple has ever released. The design is compact and modern. It finally feels like a mini Mac Studio. Performance is strong for everyday work, creative tasks, and even light professional workloads. For students, developers, editors, and casual creators, it did a lot very well. But the moment you look beyond today, the picture starts to change. Apple's entire strategy is shifting toward artificial intelligence, advanced graphics, and long-term efficiency. And the M5 chip is being built from the ground up with that future in mind. This isn't about shaving a few seconds off export times. This is about changing what your computer can do locally without relying on the cloud. Leaks suggest the M5 will bring a major leap in both CPU and GPU performance. But more importantly, it will dramatically improve neural processing. That matters because AI is no longer optional. Local AI tasks are becoming part of everyday computing. Image generation, video enhancement, voice processing, smart automation. These workloads demand specialized hardware, not just raw speed. The M5 is expected to handle these tasks natively, quietly, efficiently, without spinning fans or overheating. And that's where things get exciting. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the M5 Mac Mini is improved thermals and power efficiency. Apple is pushing toward machines that stay cool even under sustained load. That opens the door to quieter systems and possibly even fanless designs in certain configurations. A silent desktop that can still handle demanding tasks is a huge win, especially for creators and professionals. Graphics are another major focus. Apple has made steady progress with its GPUs, but the M5 is expected to be a noticeable step forward. Leaks point toward a stronger GPU core count, better memory bandwidth, and improved support for modern graphics APIs. That means smoother timelines, faster rendering, and better performance in 3D, motion graphics, and even gaming. And yes, gaming matters more than people admit. Apple is slowly but clearly pushing into serious gaming territory. A stronger GPU in the M5 Mac Mini makes it far more capable as a compact gaming and creative machine, especially when paired with Apple's growing library of optimized titles. Memory and storage are also expected to see meaningful upgrades. One of the biggest complaints about current Macs is the base configuration. Too little storage, too little memory, too much money to upgrade. The M5 Mac Mini is rumored to start with more generous specs. Think 512 gigabytes of SSD storage as standard. Think 16 gigabytes of unified memory at the base level. That alone changes the value equation completely. Imagine paying the same price as the M4 Mac Mini, but getting double the storage, more memory, better graphics, and a chip designed for the next 5 to 7 years of software updates. That's not a small improvement. That's the difference between a machine that ages gracefully and one that feels constrained too soon. Now let's talk about longevity. This is where waiting really starts to make sense. The moment the M5 launches, the M4 becomes last generation. Resale value drops. Software focus shifts. Optimization priorities move forward. That doesn't mean the M4 stops working, but it does mean it starts aging faster in relative terms. The M5, on the other hand, will arrive at the start of a new cycle. New macOS features will be designed with it in mind. AI tools will target its neural engine. Developers will optimize for its capabilities. You're buying into the future, not catching up to it. Timing matters too. Current leaks point toward a late 2025 or early 2026 release window. That may feel far away, but in Apple's world, it's right around the corner. And if your current machine still works, waiting could save you money and regret. Pricing is another key factor, and this is where things get interesting. According to multiple sources, Apple is not planning a major price increase for the Mac Mini line. The base M5 Mac Mini is expected to start at the same $599 price point. The Pro version is rumored to stay around $1,399. That means more power for the same money. That kind of value is rare. Apple doesn't usually give away upgrades for free. When they do, it's because they want to reset expectations. The M5 Mac Mini looks like one of those moments. So what should you actually do? If your current computer is failing, if you need a machine right now for work or school, if waiting would cost you productivity or income, then yes, the M4 Mac Mini is a great buy. You won't hate it. You won't feel cheated. It's a solid machine. But if you can wait, if your current setup still gets the job done, if you're thinking long-term, then waiting for the M5 is the smarter move. The M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be the most complete version of Apple's compact desktop yet. More power, better graphics, smarter AI capabilities, improved base specs, and a design that's ready for where computing is going, not where it's been. In my opinion, the M5 Mac Mini isn't just an upgrade. It's the Mac Mini Apple has been building toward for years. A true do-it-all desktop that punches far above its size and price. If Apple delivers even most of what leaks suggest, this will be the Mac Mini people keep recommending for half a decade. So don't rush. Don't panic buy. Take a breath. Think about what you actually need, not just what looks shiny today. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates when the M5 Mac Mini finally drops.